obila ma osewito ngimagi e yor tich ka gitemo keto kwe e pinyno mar Haiti. Achak kodi wakili Kennedy Odhiambo, jatend piny wacho ma to attorney general wacho ma. Adira koro nitiere kanyo. Winjo kanyo kokil wacho ni ma ote ma wuok e the highest rank e pacho kae. Kata kamano ang'o matimore? Familia ni nowinjo be ni chwalo negi milome kotudore kod wach wuodgi e yo machalo nade?
Gimane timore en ni onego bed ni information kowuok oko chopo through Foreign Affairs Ministry dhi chopo to National Police Service. Koro Inspector General actually police mako obila maniti Haiti. Koro onego bed ni information ni ne be related to the family through National Police Service. The Minister of Foreign Affairs ko alliance gi the mission abroad. The ngene ka gidhi kucha, they are now working under foreign mission. Koro foreign mission cha will have Minister of Foreign Affairs mantie pinyno, then they communicate to Kenya. Koro from the National Police Service we should take it up. Kechma eno bila. Gimatimra ngene Attorney General by law is the chief legal advisor, the principal legal advisor to the president. So konego benni Attorney General emanyiso president and more vice president. Akoro president ongeyo mulo the Attorney General. Aparo no there is a miscommunication. Nitie gap moro. Mantie ngama communicate president directly ma bypass the Attorney General and the Inspector General of Police. Nikech onego benni that communication first. Onego benni kata mana wach mar no lal, that should have been communicated to the relevant bodies. When the family knows the National Police Service is not right, ni ngato dilwen to family have to go to court. I even think that is wrong. Ngamo chiwore, uchiwo ngimane, oyetho ni piny mare, to the family ne nyaka dhi to court. We have been trying to find him and we can't. Then now the Attorney General goes to court to give explanations. He has been missing in action. I think that communication, Attorney General, not even the Attorney General of Police, no said they will communicate to the family. Your son has been missing in action for the last 6 months.
Donge familia makamano ngisgine wuodgi en missing magin podine gintiere kod geno ne wuodgi nyalo duogo konge mane